Okay, hello everyone, it's Carpo here, and today we're doing tie-dyes. Actually, we're doing reverse tie-dyes. And we'll be serenaded by music because my son's practicing guitar in there, so it's just something I have to deal with. It's not too bad, it's good music. It's the Grateful Dead. So, we have two different spiral shirts. This is done by just sticking a fork or something in the center of the shirt laid flat and just spinning it until it spirals up. And this is a different type of wrap. And what I'm doing with the reverse tie-dye is I'm going to take these. This is a bleach solution, 50-50, bleach and water. And I got my gloves, I got my shirts all wrapped up, and I got my bleach solution. I'm gonna mix it up and make sure it's well mixed here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take each of these shirts and dip them in for like, I don't know, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. I really don't know, because I haven't done this yet. And I've never done this type of tie-dye, but I've heard that, I mean, I've seen what they look like, but I've heard there's different methods. Some people soak the shirts first, and some people keep them dry. Oops. And in this case, I kept them dry, because it seems to make a better, it doesn't seem to fade or blend as much. All right, so here we go. Let's just do this. 1, 2, 3. See how that turns out. Maybe I should just do 3 seconds. 4, 5. I'll do 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, that one needs to go in deeper because didn't get it all. Alright. Whew! Stinky. Good stuff. I'll set that there and get the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so when it's dry, it's harder for it to take up. I can see the bleach. Okay, whoa, yeah, perfect. I think that was perfect for 3 shirts. Yeah, that's just about right. You can already see the color changing. Oops, don't want to get it on everything else. Okay, now we'll just set those there. You can do a little time lapse maybe as they change. And we'll see how they turn out. Okay, well, it's been about 20 minutes. I don't want to wait forever because I don't want to have an issue with the fabric getting damaged, because if you apparently leave it on there too long, it can weaken the fibers. And it's not going to ever get white, but let's see how they look. Let's take off these rubber bands and let's see what we've got here. I have to take them off carefully so I can, I'll probably toss these ones now that they got bleach on them. You can reuse your rubber bands over and over, but this is the cool one I made. And I don't know how it's going to turn out because it was all experimental. Okay. I like it. Wow. It's only on one side. I kind of screwed that one up. Wow, I might have to redo it. That's okay. Let's check out the other ones. Like I said, this is all experimental, so you never know how it's going to turn out. Alright, here we go. Oh, wow. That's neat. Oh, I like that one. I kind of spun it from the side. Yeah, I like that one too. And then there's this one, the last one. Here we go. All right, good, good. That's cool looking. Okay, well, here goes the experimental scrunchie. Let's see how this one turned out, because I had to fix it. The back of this one had a pretty decent design, but the front needed help, so, oh, there we go. And I would say that's not too bad of a scrunchie. Yeah, I kind of like it, actually. I would like a little more on this arm here, but that's okay. I think it'll do just fine. One of a kind, baby, one of a kind. Whoops, hiccups.